In this video, we'll learn 3 very simple ways to cook asparagus. A healthier boiled version with balsamic dressing, a garlic oven-roasted version, and a more indulgent butter sauté option. Asparagus is an excellent vegetable, rich in vitamin A, C, E, K and B6, folic acid, folate, potassium, copper, calcium, protein and fibre. It's known to promote gut health, prevent UTIs and for having antioxidative and diuretic effects, and even improving our mood. Preparation. The bottom portion of the asparagus can be a little tough, so we're going to do a little trimming to get only soft, juicy bites at the end. Cut about 1 inch off the woody end of the asparagus. With a peeler, peel off the tough outer skin. Cut the stalks in 1-inch pieces. You can cook the asparagus without cutting them into smaller pieces, but they'll cook faster this way, and we like quick recipes. All recipes in this video will begin with the asparagus already prepared this way. Let's get to the first recipe. Healthy balsamic asparagus salad. For this recipe you'll need 8 asparagus stalks already prepared, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: turn the heat on high, pour the water and salt in a small saucepan. Bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the stalky parts of the asparagus first. Let it cook for about 1 minute. Add the tops. Wait another 1 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, in a small dressing bowl, add the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt and black pepper. Mix. Test the doneness of the asparagus with a fork. If it's tender, turn off the heat. Drain the asparagus. Transfer them to a serving platter. This recipe is good served warm or cold. If you'd like it cold, leave the asparagus in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Pour the balsamic dressing on the asparagus and it's ready to serve. The asparagus alone already tastes great as is, but you may combine it with other ingredients if you like. Here are a few suggestions. Grape tomatoes, steamed Brussels sprouts, leeks and green beans, grapes, strawberries, black olives, basil, feta cheese, fresh mozzarella and blue cheese. Here's a version we've prepared with fresh mozzarella and grape tomatoes. Now on to the second asparagus recipe. Garlic oven roasted asparagus. For this recipe you'll need 8 asparagus stalks already prepared, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. To make this garlicky recipe, preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Peel and chop the garlic cloves into small pieces. In a mixing bowl, add the garlic and the asparagus. Add the olive oil, salt and pepper. Mix well. Transfer the asparagus into a roasting tray. Roast for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, test the softness of the asparagus with a fork. Transfer the asparagus to a serving tray. The asparagus already tastes great like that, but you can drizzle lemon juice, lemon zest, fried garlic, parsley, or grated Parmesan cheese for extra flavour if you'd like. Now, let's look at the last recipe of this video. Buttery sauté asparagus. For this recipe you'll need 8 asparagus stalks already prepared, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 3 tablespoons of parsley, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: peel and chop the garlic cloves into small pieces. Heat the olive oil in a skillet on high heat. Add the chopped garlic. Season with salt and pepper. Stir until crispy. Remove the garlic without removing the olive oil. Add the asparagus. Season with salt and pepper. Add the water to speed the cooking. Cook until tender. Test it with a fork to make sure it's cooked. Turn the heat off and immediately add the butter, balsamic vinegar and parsley. Add the fried garlic back into the skillet. Mix until the butter has melted and the parsley has wilted. Transfer into a serving bowl. The asparagus is ready to eat on its own or to serve with your choice of protein. There you go, 3 easy and quick asparagus recipes to enjoy on their own or as a side. Enjoy! As always, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, you might also like one of the suggestions we've picked for you. Also subscribe for more. We upload a new video every week discussing some of the most asked questions on and offline. See you next time!